All right, the trunk doesn't look too bad. I don't know if this piece of like OSB kind of board is supposed to be in here. I don't know. Having a hard time getting this brace out that pulls the trunk up. The other one already popped out on its own. And I wanted to make a note too, the wiring for this car comes back through here. There's a loose end for some reason. And then it comes back here, wires in to the light, comes across the back through this hole. So I'll try to remember what that's for. And then it comes up through here and wires into that light. So overall, as we're pulling this out, the tank looks pretty good. So I don't know if we'll replace this or not. That mat, to be honest with you guys, is actually pretty cool. It's like a rubberized mat. Let's see if I can clean this up maybe. I don't know, it's got some tears in it though. Maybe I'll find a replacement one. And of course, some carpet and some more of this wood OVS, which, I don't know, I'm guessing maybe it's factory, but it's different material here versus here. So I don't know if my grandpa or dad or someone cut that out and put that in. But I mean, you got some old crusty stuff in here, but to be honest with you guys, this looks like surface rust. This looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. I'll also note there is some electrical that goes here. I don't know what that goes to. We'll figure that out later. I'm guessing just goes to the other side of the car for the wiring. So I'll try to keep that in mind as I get going here. So overall, I mean, we're looking pretty good. See if we can vacuum this out, but so far so good. With the trunk getting taken off, things look pretty good and pretty easy to do. The worst part's going to be getting back in here and getting those sanded down. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So let's just keep on going.